personal recount text. Teks recount yang berbentuk personal. Nah, di sini ada teks, kemudian menjawab soal. Nah, the first, please repeat after me. Pertama-tama, ulangi setelah saya. I still remember the day I met my favorite athlete, LeBron James. I was at a basketball game and he was playing for the Los Angeles Lakers. I was amazed by his skills on the court. After the game, I got to meet him and took a photo together. It was an unforgettable experience.